6 tips to accelerate growth for bulking up quickly. Today's training video will focus on quick muscle growth through diet. I want to make it clear to everyone that, in addition to exercise, food is crucial for muscular growth, or to bulk up at the expense of others. People who are unable to maintain their diets may do so for a variety of reasons. Therefore, I'll give you a few tips in today's video on how to bulk up or swiftly grow muscle. Let's begin our video. First tip, to eat more pulses when there are extra calories. If you guys are serious about bulking up quickly or gaining muscle, there is no substitute for it. People must eat 6 meals a day, but I've observed that when they eat 2 or 3, they begin to feel uncomfortable because they are already very full. Additionally, they either skip the following meal or eat less of it. But avoid doing this because there is no other way to avoid calorie surplus. The important thing to know is that your body will use carbohydrates as energy if you consume fewer of them than protein, which is involved in the process of building muscle. You should consume more carbohydrates because they provide you with energy, and protein helps you create muscle. The verdict is that if you want to gain weight quickly, eat more and stay healthy. Second tip, frequent meals. Let's clarify that a high meal frequency means you'll need to eat more frequently, because your body alternates between building and breaking down muscles throughout the day. You should eat every 2 to 3 hours, because you need to maintain a positive nitrogen balance in your body so that you can grow as much muscle as possible. This is necessary. To do this, you must consume protein repeatedly, along with carbohydrates and fat at each meal. Third tip, eat regular meals every day. Going to the gym doesn't actually result in muscle growth. When you are in the recovery period, you break down muscle and then you develop muscle. By eating during your recovery period, you are giving your body the nutrients it needs. When you go to the gym, you must exert yourself just like you would on any other day. In order to gain weight quickly, you must consume enough food to last 7 days. Fourth tip, add a weight gain shake to your diet. You understand that it is challenging to eat solid meals consistently throughout the day when you must maintain a calorie surplus. Initially, you should aim to consume as much solid food as you can, but including a weight gain drink in your diet is a simple way to add more calories to your diet. Fifth tip, increase your intake of casein protein. We all consume whey protein after working out since it is quickly absorbed and promptly heals our muscles. But casein protein should be added if you want to bulk up quickly before going to bed at night in your diet due to the slow digestion of casein protein. All night long, it continues to slowly fuel your muscles, maintains them in the anabolic stage, so that the process of growing muscle for you becomes quicker. Sixth tip, the best advice is to drink enough water. You must maintain your muscles hydrated if you want to gain muscle, which you do by drinking more and more water. Your ability to exercise effectively will be compromised if your muscles are dehydrated. Additionally, it's crucial to consume the correct amount of water to ensure that your body receives the nutrients it needs. It supports your joints, allowing you to work more effectively. Drinking plenty of water helps your body's function, which aids the process of growing muscle. This was our video for today. Please continue to support our channel, Fitness Vault, this way.